I'm from Los Angeles. My father was very involved with healthcare and major gifts to the healthcare industry, and I kind of followed in that tradition. I brought that with me when I moved to Carmel.
Davis Factor and I have been friends for many, many years. Davis served as the chair of Stevenson School, and my children both were educated at Stevenson School. And he was our board chair here at Community Hospital from 2004 to 2005. And coupled with Christine's, made a very significant gift to the Pavilions Project.
Davis and I got to know each other through working on the Bach Festival, and I think he's been a very positive force because he values these community institutions. He's willing to work and put in the time.
The one thing that I think that really resonated with me in my interactions with Davis and Christine was that, especially when it comes to philanthropy, you can't ask unless you've already walked the walk. And Davis and Christine, in support of the Pavilions Project, very early on made asking other people easier.
One of the issues that comes to mind is, why pick the hospital to give to? I like to help people, certainly, a multitude of people. I think that the hospital is a great example of that, and also stays very much ahead of the trends in medicine. And the creation of the Wellness Center is a benefit, great benefit to the community, as well as reducing healthcare costs.
The operative word is community.
Not just to build strength, but also,
preventing diseases, obesity, educating our young people, and educating people even of my age, how we take better care of our own bodies. We're going to be able to provide preventative medicine, preventative care, therapies for people who wouldn't normally be able to have this opportunity. We've got equipment here. It's an incredible swimming pool and a program that's created around your own individual needs. It's for everybody.
And there will be a primary care facility at the Wellness Center as well, and those are doctors that basically will, come primary care physicians, and they'll see any patient, and that's something that our community has lacked, primary care doctors, because that type of medicine is very poorly reimbursed.
So here, this is Studio One. The great thing about Studio One is the suspendable flooring that we have.
The feeling that I need to give back to my community stems really from my parents. My dad worked in a cold storage freezing plant, and I'll never forget, as a kid, we had a little red wagon, and we'd put all these jars of jam and preserves together that Mom had gotten up at 4 o'clock in the morning and made all these little jars of jam, little tiny ones in the old baby food jars, and we would take them up and down the street to the neighbors that didn't have anybody. So you don't have to have great wealth. You don't have to have artworks to contribute. You can give the small things. You can give of yourself.
Since they were married, they're very much a team, a wonderful team. But Davis knew how to ask people for money. That's what I learned. He was really good at it, and he actually enjoyed it and was very successful. Whereas many people shy away from that and just, freeze up when it comes to asking other people for money. Davis shone, yes.
He often jokes that now, when they see him walking down the street, they cross the street, having participated in so many capital campaigns. But I think he's wound that down a little bit in the interim.